The latest rumors about the Suzuki Jimny Sierra have become the focus of car enthusiasts around the world. This vehicle, which is already known for its reliability and strength, is rumored to be getting a significant update in terms of both features and design. The Jimny Sierra has always been known for its tough iconic design, and the latest news promises improvements to the exterior and interior of the car. In terms of technology, the rumors indicate a significant improvement. It is likely that advanced features such as the latest infotainment system, better connectivity, and improved safety systems will be part of the new Jimny Sierra package. This will not only increase user comfort but also provide a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Not only that, the Jimny Sierra's engine performance is also rumored to have improved. A more efficient and powerful engine is expected to provide drivers with a more responsive and satisfying driving experience, especially for conquering challenging off-road terrain. Price remains a major consideration. Although official information has not been announced, there is much speculation about the price range, which may be slightly higher at $67,000. This is of course reasonable considering the increased features and technology implemented in the latest model. Official information from Suzuki regarding the Jimny Sierra is still not available. These details are subject to change as official information is announced by the manufacturer. Jimny enthusiasts are expected to wait for an official announcement from Suzuki to get a clearer picture of what the next generation Jimny Sierra will offer.